Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you the settings for the SMS bot. So let's get started. Simply log into the BotPenguin account and choose the SMS bot. And over here, you will get this option of AI settings. In this, you will get three options: journal, AI settings, and trigger. In this video, we will discuss about this journal section first, and rest of these two we will discuss in the next videos. So let's get started. Simply in this journal section, what you will get, first thing is for how many hours the SMS bot should be active, the session timeout that you can decide, and you can keep it to 24 hours from here, let's say. And you can, next thing is, in order if any of the customer wants to restart the chat flow, so what should be the trigger word that you can configure from here. And same for the live chat, that you can configure the trigger word from here. And next thing is the live chat expiry time in seconds. You can configure the live chat expiry time from here. And next thing is the unavailability message. This unavailability message is basically if any of your team member is having the interaction with the customers and they are not available and they are outside their business hour, what should be the message that should be delivered to the customer, that you can configure from here. Next is this user inactivity. I can turn it off, turn it on from here. So let's say if any of customer who is interacting with your SMS bot and they left the chat in between, so after few minutes this particular message will automatically be sent to the customer that you have left the conversation is in between, please come back, like that you can configure from here, and that will be updated. And next thing is this last option that you get, message after automated flow completes. So if the flow completes, what should be the message that should be sent to the customer? You can type any message, like to restart the flow, type restart; to have a live chat, type restart, type live chat. So these are the things that you can configure from this particular journal section. Alright, that's all about this particular video. If you have any queries for the same, please do let us know. We will surely help you with the same. You can reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.